Dear students of class 4, I am Mrs. Neha Makkar, and in this video we are going to solve the Fun with Grammar exercise of the grammar lesson Degrees of Comparison. Refer to page number 50 of your Fun with Grammar. The first exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate nouns for these adjectives. So, students, here a list of adjectives is given and we have to find a suitable noun for the adjective. So, the first adjective is cloudy. So, what is attached with the adjective cloudy? Sky. Funny, cartoon. Wild, animals. Straight, line. Clean, table. Sour, lemon. The taste of lemon is sour. New, book. Empty, glass. Now, the second exercise is given on page number 51. Complete the following table with proper degree of adjectives. So, as we have studied in the first video of degrees of comparison, that the first degree is positive degree, second is the comparative degree, and the third degree is superlative degree. So, the first one is done, great, greater, greatest. So, almost all the adjectives given in this table are following the rule of ER and EST. So, to the adjective given in the positive degree, we have to attach a ER and EST. So, short will become shorter, shortest, lazy will become lazier, laziest, funny will become funnier, funniest, big will become bigger, biggest, hot will become hotter, hottest, wise will become wiser, wisest, and large will become larger, largest. So, you have to fill the grid as shown in the answers table. Now the third exercise, which is given on page number 52. Circle the correct form of the adjective to complete the following sentences. Now children, we need to understand that the rule says that the will come in front of the superlative degree because it is the highest degree of comparison. So this is the juiciest of the mangoes. So amongst all the mangoes, this mango is having the most juice. So it is the juiciest. Superlative degree will always have the in front of it in framing of the sentence. The giraffe has a long neck. So generally children, when we are talking about the positive degree, it will have the article a and superlative will have the article the. The Shatabdi Express is faster than the Bangalore Mail. So children, in the comparative degree, we are generally comparing two things. Okay, so the comparative degree will always be followed by the word than. He is the richest man in our village. So all the people in the village, he is the richest man among all. The will come in front of the superlative degree. These lights are brighter than the ones in the next room. Two rooms' lights are being compared and brighter will be followed by the word than. So these are certain clues, children, which I am giving how you have to identify the adjective which you have to choose and pick. Sheila is a smart girl. Why not smartest, children? Because we are talking about only one girl, and the second thing is there is no article the there. So if it would have been the article the there, then we could have used smartest, but here only smart. We are talking about one girl and no article the is there. Girish is a busy man. Again the article a, if there would have been the, then we would have considered the comparative degree. The last question is the easiest one to answer. So why easiest here? Because the article the is given there, and amongst all the questions, although we are talking about only one questions, but here it is the easiest one to answer among that. Complete the following table with proper degree of adjectives. Again children, here we will be applying the rule of IER and ER and EST. So we have to complete the grid. Positive degree of adjectives is given. You have to write the comparative and superlative degree. So let us check the answers. Busy, busier, busiest. Young, younger, youngest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Pure, pure, purer, purest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Dark, darker, darkest. Cold, colder, coldest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Hard, harder, hardest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Easy, easier, easiest. Now, I have given you 5 sentences for practice from the last exercise, and as these are personal response questions, you have to find the answers to these. Like, find these people in your class. So the tallest person in your class, you have to write the name. A person who is shorter than you in the class, you have to write the name. A person with a bigger lunch bag than yours, who brings a bigger lunch bag. And the person with the widest smile, who has the biggest smile. And the smartest person in the class. You can also write your name. So that's all. You have to do this work as practice work. Thank you, children.